Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what I looked like before my veneers. So first I'll show you. So the veneers just fit perfectly over that smile of your molds. There's the top, here's the bottom. They just fit perfectly. And this is what I was working with before Pop On. So, I'm staining. They're literally just coming out. And although eventually I want a permanent solution, probably, hopefully implants one day. But right now that's just not affordable for me. And I mean, there's the gaps. They're just a mess. They're stained. I drink a lot of coffee, tea. I used to smoke cigarettes a lot, and I'm on medications that actually rot your teeth. And a lot of us are, and it's nothing to be ashamed of. I mean, it seems like it's happening more to young people now than ever. And something like this, I mean, they literally pop right in. Like, I feel like I've got my youth back. I feel younger. I feel happier, healthier. I'm smiling. I'm talking. I'm showing my face. Like, I would have never, ever made a video for, like, the web to view with just my smile, ever. And I'm just so shocked at how well they came out for how damaged my mouth was. This saved my life, and it saved me, and it gives me this time to be able to further research my options for a permanent smile. I can't believe it. I mean, 10 out of 10. I recommend it to everyone. If you're on the fence about it, just go, jump. There's nothing you can do wrong. Literally, they'll give you up to 2 remakes. I mean, it's worth the money. It's literally pennies for your entire confidence back, and that's just priceless. I mean, for me, it was priceless. Do it. If you're on the fence, do it. It's so worth it. You'll smile again. You'll feel so beautiful. Thank you, Pop On.